Today, in my first video in almost a year, we're going to figure out why I keep going into reverse when I try to shift in a second sometimes. Roll it. Hello from under my bus. So could not figure out why I kept going into reverse when I was trying to go into second. New shifter, new bushing up here. Show that in a minute. Here's the lockout plate. And here's the part of the shifter that should ride along the lockout plate when you push down on the shifter. No matter what, this stays under the lockout plate so you can go into reverse freely. Could not figure out why, and then it just hit me. On a bus, front of the shifter. So there's the cup. There's the peg coming off the shifter. This is worn down too far, allowing the shifter to go down in the socket too far. So this piece here appears to be my problem. I could weld it up, but I don't have a welder. Now the other thing, this bushing, I thought mine was fine. This one's only about 5 years old. Yeah, night and day difference. If you ever have any doubts about shifting, this is your shifter, two 13mm bolts, one grub screw, and mechanics wire. Pop this right out, new bushing in, grease it, make your life a lot easier. But for now, time to go research this. I think this is my problem. And we'll run it by the Duck Man. See what he thinks. All right, VW problems. See ya. Bye.